5 Best Fans and Cooling. Here is the product number 5. Heatsink Cooler Cooling. Brand name, RIP. Application, computer case. Lines, none. Package, no. Power input, 3.6 watt. PC case external material, plastic. Computer case bearing type, sleeve bearing. Color LED fan color, blue. Here is the product number 4. Thermal Conductive Grease Paste. Color, gray. Apply to reach and low HS environmental protection requirements. High thermal conductivity, effective insulation, high temperature resistant, low oil departs non-corrosive. Type, conductive heatsink plaster. Fan size, none. Application, processor. Here is the product number 3. CPU chip heatsink paste. High heat conduction, high insulation. High temperature resistant non-volatile. Non-toxic, odorless, non-corrosive. Type, CPU chip heatsink paste. Shape, syringe. Color, gray. Type, conductive heatsink plaster. Here is the product number 2. 4D plug axial cooling fan. Bearing, sleeve bearing. Rated voltage, 12 volts. Light, blue. Brand name, axial. Application, computer case. Heatsink material, copper and aluminum. Type, fan. Here is the product number 1. CPU cooling silicone fan thermal paste. Good electric insulating, breakdown 10 kV voltage. Low terminal impedance, keep grease condition with long time. High performance, saving your cost. Application, graphics card. Heatsink material, copper. Bearing, fluid bearing. Brand name, WFXSTD. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.